$2,000 to $10,000. It hasn't even been a month. The goal is 100,000 by the end of the year. You guys can hop in anytime. What's up, guys? Andrew here from U5 Trading. Just want to give a quick update on the positions for the year. So at this point, we are up $8,705. We started with an account size of about 2,000 in this account. This is what we are up right now. Check out the unrealized gain and loss. We are in a couple positions right now. These are called out on the Facebook page. We're still in these, holding them for now, and we're going to give updates there. The unsettled closed positions, there's nothing that we closed out that we haven't reported. And then the gain and loss reports, which is right here, shows the same exact thing. We are up year to date 8,229 on the short term gain, and then long term 476. That comes out to about 8,700. Same thing that I showed you guys on the other page. Going for 100,000. So a couple things to note before you guys join in on the Facebook page if you want to be on this journey to 100,000. Two things that are the most important things. One, do not overtrade. If you don't see a trade for the day, don't take one. Don't force one. Don't say you're going to put $10,000 into a trade, make a quick 10% $1,000. It doesn't work. You're going to blow the account. Trust me, you're going to blow the account quicker than you could ever imagine. The second thing is position size. Do not put 10,000 into any trade. Don't put 5,000 in. Take that money, say you're going to put 2,000 into a trade. If it looks like you could average down maybe another 1,000, we're going to be posting updates anyway to make sure that you guys don't go crazy in there. Because if you get one bad trade and that blows the account, that's it. If you're in 3 trades and one goes bad but the other 2 are going up, you're gonna save the account. Trust me, it's very important. So yeah, hop on over to Facebook. We're gonna give updates here and on Facebook. So I'd suggest following both. Here is gonna be more about why we're taking the positions and tips and tricks to help you guys. Facebook is more for just the call outs, but it's gonna really help if you follow both pages.